So you've hidden some photos on your iPhone, but now you can't remember where they went? No worries. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to find your hidden photos on iPhone in just a few taps. Watch till the end so you don't miss any step. Let's start by showing how hiding works. I'll select a few photos, tap the three dots in the bottom right, and then tap Hide. Confirm it, and they disappear from your main library. Now to find those hidden photos, open your Photos app and scroll down past your albums. Keep scrolling until you reach the section labeled Utilities. Here you'll see an album called Hidden. Tap on it. Before it opens, you'll be asked to authenticate using your Face ID or passcode. This keeps your hidden photos private. Once you're in, you'll see all your hidden photos neatly organized. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future iPhone tips like this. Now, if you want to unhide any of them, tap Select in the top right, choose the ones you want, tap the three dots again, and choose Unhide. They'll go right back to your main photo library. Go back to your main albums, and you'll see those previously hidden photos are now back where they belong. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.